Okay, let's get rid of string. Base is equal to order of A. That should be 65. ASCII should be base plus 0. It should give me a character. Forgetting my Python. There's no character. Okay, let's go to Google. CHR function takes a number and outputs a string. Oh, looks right. Duh. Okay. Of course, get row now is going to have to take numbers. I'm going to take letters instead of numbers. But anyway, we almost have the board. The only reason I didn't go to 10 is because of spacing issues. If I try to put a 10 right here, then this is going to be off. Because the 1 would be here, and the zeros would be right under it. I'll clean that up later. Okay, what we want to see now is the ships. We don't want to play the game, we just want to see the ships. So, ship list is not defined on line number 28. Okay, so here we're trying to create these ships. So we have number of turns, we have boards. So we have boards and ships. So the board set up the ships. So that means this guy on 28 should not be talking to the ships. Oh, so is this, so when the game is playing, when the number of ships go down, then that's how he finishes the game, when there are no ships left. So somewhere in here he's doing a ship dot destroyed, and he's doing a ship dot remove. If the ship was destroyed, then he removes it from the list. Okay. Okay, let's play a game with one ship placed in the middle of the board. So set up ship. Let's just create a ship. New ship. Actually, I don't like that new word. So ship equal ship. And we need to give it a start row. So we're going to be lazy and put it at 0. Start row equals 0. 0, any day now. Start column equals 0. Size equal 5. And orientation equal horizontal. So now we have one ship, but that ship isn't on the board. So the board needs its own set of ships. Oh, okay. So the board needs a set of ships that's like an empty list. Since this is for debug, we're just going to put this here because we're actually going to do it. No, we're not going to do it twice. Okay. So this is ship list here. This is my ship. Then we'll print out the ship list. So we're not going to call it the ship list, we're going to call it ships. We don't want this and we don't want temp. Okay, so we set up our ships. We're not going to create 4 and 5, we're just going to create one ship at the top of the board, right up here. Okay. That looks fine. So then if we print the ships here, we should see something. Line 239. Okay, self.ships. Self.ships. Ship list on line 28. This is in a game. Okay, we're going to just take all of this and take it out. Okay. So here's our ship object. So we have a list with one ship in it. But what we want to do is we need a human or programmer readable representation of that. So I think we want this. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll just print, what's a string? Return an F string with row colon row self dot start row let's just finish with that right now. Okay, let's try the other one. Which is this thing. representation. Except with this one, we're going to also put in the column. Something like that. Row 0, column 0. Row 0, column 0. Typing gets worse and worse. Okay. Oops, we got double quotes and single quote confusion. Cursor position confusion. Okay, I think I like equal better. Okay. We printed out a ship in row 0, column 0, size 5, orientation horizontal. This is a list, but since it's only got a single element, it's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to treat it, make it look kind of like it's a dictionary by doing a backslash squiggly thing. Backslash close squiggly thing. Is that even going to work? I don't know. No, it doesn't. Okay, I'm going to be nice to myself. Don't need that one. And I'm going to use parentheses. So it looks like a tuple. I'm going to add a second ship. Set up ships here. Ship 1. Next one, put it 5, 5, and I'll make it 2. and I'll make it vertical. Now pin ship 16, ship 2. Oh, what's up with that syntax highlighting? Not because it says 2. Okay, after this, we're going to take a break. Okay, so now we have 2 ships. A horizontal ship and a vertical ship. That's what the board has. So the game is playing. The game is responsible for getting the row from the user. And the game is responsible for playing the hit. We'll continue that next time.